In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Smart Launcher 6 on Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the Play Store. Install this application in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now, tap on Get Started. Tap on Continue. Accept the privacy and policy. Tap on Continue again. Allow the access. Tap on Allow again. Now simply skip the marketing deals. Tap on Set as Default. Select the Smart Launcher from here. Tap on Set as Default. As you can see, Smart Launcher is applied. So this is how you can install Smart Launcher 6 on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.